Hi everyone, in this video we will solve equations with fraction coefficients. We have fractions on both sides of the equation that need to be distributed into both of these terms. However, we can get rid of those fractions first by multiplying both sides by the lowest common denominator. This speeds up our process just a little bit. The lowest common denominator between 3 and 4 is 12, and because both of them are negative, if we make this also negative, we don't have to worry about distributing a negative into both sides of the equation. So on the left side, we're going to multiply the entire side by the lowest common denominator, and we'll do negative 12. And on the right side, we'll multiply this entire side by negative 12 as well. I like to simplify first. So we'll do 12 divided by 3 is 4, and a negative times a negative is positive. On the right side, 12 divided by 4 is 3, and a negative times a negative is positive. What's left on the left-hand side is 4 times 1, which is 4, and then we have all of this inside the parentheses. On the right-hand side, we have 3 times 1, which is 3, times everything inside the parentheses. And now we can go ahead and do the distributive property to simplify each side. So we'll multiply this in. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8a. 4 times 1 is plus 4. On the right-hand side, 3 times negative a is negative 3a. And 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. And this is a much simpler problem than what we started out with. We need to combine all of the variables to one side of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3. All the variables are now on the left side. I can combine negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5a. I still have the 4 and the negative 6. Now I need to subtract 4 from both sides. On the left side, we're left with negative 5a, and on the right side, negative 10. To continue isolating the variable, we'll divide by negative 5 on both sides. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 cancels. So we ran out of room. We'll put it up here. A equals. And on the right-hand side, a negative divided by a negative is positive. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. So our answer or solution to this equation is A equals 2. We can verify this by substituting our solution back into the original equation, and if we get a true statement at the end of all of the simplification and calculations, then we know that our solution is correct. If we end up with a statement that is not true, then we need to go back and try again. Either way, we're all done.